Welcome to this quick tutorial where you will learn exactly how to import a custom token to your MetaMask wallet. Please make sure that you have installed the latest version of the app. Preferably, you will also need a computer to act upon the following instructions. Let's get started. To import a new token, you must first find its address. This can be done by visiting the investor relations page of the respective company from which you would like to import tokens. After navigating to your company's broker bot, you can simply click Details for more information. There you should see a contract address on the bottom of the list. The correct address is described by a 3 to 5 digit long ticker, followed by the word contract. A ticker is a short name representing a specific asset. In our case, the ticker refers to a specific share, namely DAKS. Click on the address to the right of the ticker in order to see it in full length. Once you clicked on the contract address, you will be rerouted to Etherscan. There you will be able to check the name of the token as well as the contract address. Copy the contract address and save it in a file that you can access on your phone. You can also send an email or text message to yourself in order to achieve that. Now open the MetaMask wallet on your phone and click on Import Tokens on the bottom of the screen. Select the Custom Token tab and paste the contract address from before into the field Token Address. Proceed with entering the ticker into the Token Symbol field. However, this will usually be filled automatically. Lastly, you must simply click on Import to see your shares in MetaMask. Well done! You have just imported a custom token to your MetaMask wallet.